Tasha, I'm doing well. I've been thinking a lot about the future lately, especially about my career. What about you?
Me too. I'm a big decision what we want to do with our lives.
And it seems like there are so many options out there. It's hard to know where to start.
I know. I've been doing some research online and talking to people in different fields. I'm trying to figure out what I'm passionate about and what I'm good at.
That's a good approach. It's important to find a job that you will enjoy and that you are good at. Otherwise, you will end up being unhappy.
Exactly. I don't want to just settle for any job. I want to find a career that I'm really passionate about and that I can see myself to doing for the long term.
Me too. I think it's also important to consider our lifestyle goals when choosing a career. Do we want to work a lot of hours and make a lot of money? Or do we want to have a more balanced lifestyle with more free time?
That's a good point. I definitely want to have a good work-life balance. I don't want to be so busy that I don't have time for my friends and my family.
Neither. I think it's also important to be flexible and open to new opportunity. The job market is constantly changing, so we need to be prepared to adapt.
Definitely, we don't want to get stuck in a job that we are not happy with. We need to be willing to change career if necessary.
It's a lot to think about, but I'm excited to see what the future holds. I know we'll both find great careers that we love.
Me too, I'm confident in us.
Can you believe we actually made it third finals? I thought my brain was going to explode.
Tell me about it. All that cramming finally paid off. Now onto the real world.
Speaking of the real sport, have you talked anymore about what kind of job you want after graduation?
Absolutely, I'm set on becoming an intelligence analyst for the State Intelligence Agency. Imagine analyzing data, piecing together clues, and contributing to a national security. It sounds so thrilling.
Wow, that's intense. That's definitely not the path I was thinking of. I'm actually leaning towards becoming a PNS or pegawai negeri sipil, Indonesian civil servant.
Really? That's interesting. What made you decide on that route?
Well, for one thing, the stability appeals to me. Knowing I will have a secure job with benefits is a big deal. Plus, I have always been interested in public service. I love to contribute to the development of our country. Maybe working in education or environmental protection.
That's a noble goal. Pen as position over that sense of purpose for sure. But what about the excitement? Excitement, the intelligence agency work can be pretty fast-paced. You are constantly learning new things, and the stakes are high.
I get the appeal of the adrenaline rush, but honestly, I thrive in a more structured environment. Plus, PNS work offers a good work-life balance, which is important to me. I still want time to pursue my hobby and